V, A, and again I, V, A, and again I, V, A, and again Ivan the Inspector!
Hi friends, Ivan the Inspector here, and today we're going to be inspecting a Coke and Mentos science experiment. Won't you come along and learn with me? That's great, let's go. We're going to be learning about some pretty cool science things today, and it's going to be with all of this right here. Oh, it's going to be a ton of fun. All right, so first we have Diet Coke. This is a kind of pop. That's what we call it here in Minnesota. Everyone else calls it soda, which is kind of funny. We're in Minnesota, but we don't call it soda. So what else do we have here? We've got mint Mentos. We're going to be putting both of these together, and we're going to get a pretty big chemical reaction. Have you ever heard that before? It's a pretty big couple of words, isn't it? Chemical reaction. We'll get to see it later. All right, so first we got to set up this experiment. Oh, look at this. We've got a roll of mint Mentos. All right, so first we got to open this up. While I'm working on this, so chemical reaction. Have you ever heard the word reaction? Let's start with that. So when something happens that causes something else to happen, we call it a reaction. So maybe you have a friend who maybe took one of your toys, and maybe that made you mad. We call that a reaction, right? So a chemical reaction is where we're gonna get things like these. This is a Mentos. Look at that, what color is it? That's right, it's white. So we've got this white kind of rounded mint. It smells like mint, can you smell it? Oh no, you can't smell it through the TV, but it smells like mint. All right, so we're gonna pop all these out. So chemical reaction is where we put things together and we're gonna basically see what happens. Whoa! And I think it's gonna be a pretty cool chemical reaction. In fact, I think we might get an explosion of Diet Coke. It's gonna be really awesome. So let's get all of these out. Perfect, all right. So it's all gone. Look at all of these different Mentos. Do you think we can count them together? Let's do that, here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Great job, thanks for counting with me. We got 14 Mentos. All right, so the experiment is, we're gonna take all of these Mentos and we're gonna drop them into the Diet Coke. If we just dump them like this, I don't think they'll all go in. I don't think that's gonna work. You see, we gotta get them all to go in at the same time so that we get the big chemical reaction, okay? I have an idea. Let's use some other tools. Look at this, we've got, ooh, it's a drill. A battery-powered drill, look at this. That's the battery, so we've got that. What else we got here? We got the trigger, and then look at the end here. This is called a drill bit, and it spins. You ready for this? Ooh, and it has a light. Oh, that's awesome. All right, my idea is, I bet you we could drill through these and then maybe string them all together. So let's see. Let's see if we can do this. You ready? Whoa. Did you see that? It spun. What? Okay, that's not gonna work. So we need a way to hold it still. I'm not gonna use my fingers. You gotta be really careful. And in fact, kids should never be operating drills, but even adults, we should be really careful. So I would just hold it, but what if it slipped? That would not be good. Let's use, do you know what this is? It's called a needle nose pliers. So let's set this up. Let's hold it in just the right spot. Maybe like that. And then we'll try drilling a hole in it. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. Oh no! Look at that. It started to work, but then it kept moving. Let's see if we can do this. Maybe I can hold it like that. Oh, whoa, no! Look at that. Look at this. We split it in half. Now that is not gonna work for our science experiment, so we're gonna have to try something else. Let's see if I can get it to hold still, maybe like this again, or we'll just be a little more gentle with it. Let's see what happens. Ready? Here we go. There we go, drilling a hole, drilling a hole, drilling a hole. See how I'm just going a little slower, being a little bit more gentle with it. Okay, look at that. That is just a perfect Mentos holder. Who knew that needle nose pliers came with a Mentos holder? Oh boy! Oh, look at that! we've got a hole right through the middle of it. That's exactly what we want. So let's see if we can put this back in the Mentos holder. And then we're gonna drill this in like this. So we can go a little faster with these. All right, check it out. Oh, that's perfect. And look at the end of the drill bit. Oh, we've got these little Mentos remnants. That's pretty cool. Smells like mint. All right, let's keep going with this. All right, so when we do this experiment, we've talked about it already, we're gonna have a chemical reaction that's gonna be a big explosion. Basically what's gonna happen is the surface of these Mentos are gonna react to the Diet Coke. So if you could feel this, I know you can't through the TV, but if you could feel this, it's a little bit rough on the edge of it. And so what happens is all of the bubbles inside of the Coke, inside the pop, are gonna react to that rough surface, and it's gonna make a Coke explosion, which is gonna be pretty awesome. I think it might even shoot Coke up into the air. But we will see what happens. Here we go. Oh, perfect. Look at that, we got another hole in there. All right, smells very much like mint in here, which is very nice smell. Okay, now we need a way to put all of these together, right? And we've got something really fun here, look at this. It's called a pipe cleaner. Look at that, super silvery pipe cleaners. Did you know you can actually use these to clean pipes? I'm pretty sure they're just for crafts though, which is what we're using it for today. All right, we are gonna string all these Mentos together. You ready for this? So we'll take the pipe cleaner, put it through. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's looking pretty good. All right, so we're gonna string all these together. Remember, the reason we're stringing these together, boys and girls, is we want to get all of the Mentos into the Diet Coke at the same time. Because in this case, a chemical reaction happens super, super fast. So we gotta be able to get everything in. It's gonna be the kind of thing where we're gonna drop it in, and then you're not even gonna be able to say one Mississippi, and it's probably gonna already be exploding, which is super cool. So let's see. Ooh, that one's a little more difficult. There we go. No worries, we got this, we got this. All righty. Whoa. Like that, like that. All righty. Look at us go. We've got quite a string of these Mentos. So let's move these down maybe a little bit closer to the bottom. Make sure we get them all in like that. There we go. Now, one thing that's super cool on this needle nose pliers, we got a little scissors on the bottom. So let's cut this. There we go. Handle's a little bit shorter. This is looking good. Hey, before we do this, I've got an idea. Do you think you could stand up with me and do a dance break? Come on, get up and dance with me. Let's go. I feel so much better after that dance break, don't you? Thank you so much for dancing with me. All right, let's do what we've all been waiting for, our science experiment with an explosion. All right, listen to this, ready? Did you hear that? So cool. That's all of the fizz from the Diet Coke, and look at that, look really closely. You have all those little bubbles. That's what's gonna make our chemical reaction, all right? All right. You ready for this? The moment we've all been waiting for, a giant explosion. Can we count down from 3? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Actually, hold on a second. We've been talking about chemical reactions and explosions. Do you think it's a good idea for us to do this inside? I feel like that might make a total mess, right? I think we should go outside for this. You ready? Come on, let's go outside. Woohoo! Now we're outside. We're ready to do our experiment. You know, if we had done it inside, I think we would have gotten Coke all over the place. That would not have been a good thing at all. All right, so remember we've got our Diet Coke, we've got our Mentos. We're gonna open this up. have I talked about science experiments right? We're gonna see what kind of chemical reaction happens. And I hope it's a really big one, but it might be a small one, and that's gonna be okay. We're gonna see what happens. Let's open this up. Whoa, awesome. Here we go, take that off. Got our Mentos ready. Can you count down with me from 10? Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa! Look at it go! Oh, that was such a cool reaction. Look at that, it's still bubbling over. That was so cool. You know what would make it even more cool? What if we rewound and did it in slow motion? Watch this. That was so much fun. Look at this. We had so much of the Coke shoot on out the top. It's like half of it is gone. The Mentos are still in there somewhere. Well, hey, thank you so much for coming along and learning about Coke and Mentos experiment with me today. If you'd like to check out more of my episodes, type in Ivan the Inspector. Bye.